In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Windows 11. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to declutter your system, potentially improving its speed and performance. Let's get started. First, you need to find and click the Settings icon within the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing all the important features and configurations of your Windows 11 system. Once you have the Settings window open, look over to the left-hand menu. You're going to want to select System, and then head over to the Storage option. This area is where you can manage how your computer stores and handles files, including temporary ones. Within the Storage settings, locate and select Temporary Files. Here, Windows has conveniently gathered all the files that your system considers non-essential, things like installation files or temporary internet files, so you can safely remove them to free up space. Now that you've accessed the list of temporary files, you'll choose which files you want to remove. Windows will list these, often by file type, and typically offers some guidance by ticking off items it's safe to delete. Common selections that are usually okay to remove include the system-created files and thumbnails. After making your selections, go ahead and click the Remove Files button at the top. It'll be clearly marked for ease of use. When you click this button, you're instructing Windows to delete those temporary files. A confirmation dialog box will appear. To proceed, click Continue. By doing so, you're giving your OK to commence the deletion process. Once Windows has finished clearing those cached files, the next step involves cleaning up your web browser cache. If you're using Chrome, start by opening the browser and then locating the three dots menu, which you'll find in the top right corner. When you click on it, a drop-down menu appears. From here, select Settings, which brings you to a new screen where you can manage Chrome's configuration. Within the Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security in the left sidebar, and look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. This function is essential for maintaining browser efficiency and protecting your privacy. Once you click this, switch to the Advanced tab to find more detailed settings. Here, you'll be given the option to choose a time range for the data you want to erase. Whether it's for the last hour or all time, pick whichever suits your needs. Ensure that Cached Images and Files is checked. This is the main category that can bog down your browser with unnecessary data. Finally, click the Clear Data button to complete the process. With that, you've successfully cleared the cache on both your Windows system and browser, helping everything run smoother and faster. Congratulations! You've made your digital life just a bit tidier.